In a bustling forest filled with vibrant autumn colours, our story begins. A group of animal friends is gathered in a clearing, excitedly chattering about the upcoming Thanksgiving feast.
I wonder what we should prepare for our Thanksgiving feast this year.
How about a delicious nut pie? Nuts are plentiful this season.
And carrot cupcakes. I love carrots.
The friends agree on their menu and start working together. The friends venture into the woods to gather ingredients for their feast.
Look, I found the biggest acorn. It will be perfect for our nut pie.
I've got the juiciest carrots. Our feast will be amazing.
Well done, my friend. And I've found the freshest nuts in the forest.
Back in the clearing, the friends begin cooking.
Stirring the pie filling just like this.
I'm putting frosting on the cupcakes. They look so cute.
Make sure the oven isn't too hot. We want our pie to be perfect.
As the sun sets, the feast is ready, beautifully laid out on a big log table.
Thanksgiving is not just about the food. It's about being grateful for what we have and the friends we share it with.
I'm thankful for our friendship and this delicious food we made together.
I'm thankful for all of you. Let's enjoy our feast.
Happy Thanksgiving.